What's up, yo? It's Simon here. This was a super quick video. Cold air intake install. The camera was on its last minutes of battery life the entire time it was being recorded. That's why the whole thing is rushed, and that's why your intro is here instead of in front of the car. So I'll see you again in the outro. Hey guys, here we are disconnecting things. Come on in here. We got a 10 millimeter there, 10 millimeter in the back. I'm gonna pull off all these vacuum hoses. There's 1, 2, damn. And then 2 more back here. See that? Them shit's gotta come off too. Then disconnect your mass airflow sensor. Actually, don't disconnect it. Unscrew it. Unscrew it all together. Because we need to move the whole thing to the new intake. Save the screws. Okay, mass airflow sensor. Okay, so we are taking all these hoses off. This big one here is gonna be kind of a pain because there's a clamp on it, but also the hose is like wrapped in foam or some shit. I don't know. So what I'm just gonna do is unscrew this back hose clamp. Okay, there's that. There's this. We got some 10s down in here. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. All of this is kind of tight, so I'm gonna start working on this. It's also clipped in back here. You just slide it off. Hold this up. There's your clamp right there. I don't know why that's wrapped. It's really stupid. Might not even need to loosen the clamp. Yeah, we don't need to. Look at that, just comes off. Now this can come out. Push down. This is a very tight airbox area. Tighter than I'm used to working in. But tight can sometimes be good, depending on what you're talking about. Once you got that kind of loose, you have these little clips here for your mass airflow sensor plug. I'm just gonna rip those out. There we go. Bye-bye. Okay, so here's our pipe. This upper one here, this upper bung, we're not actually gonna use on this car. So they provided a cap, which is kind of cool. Then this little guy here with a nut on top, we're gonna thread it down in here, okay? Now, some people will say, hey, you should rip this part of the airbox and this part of the airbox out. You gotta take them out. To me, that's dumb because your air filter is living here, which is just hot. It's around the engine and transmission, that's hot. These push in cold air through here. They push in cold air through here from right under the hood. I think it would be wiser to leave them there. Although it may not look as appealing, it will be more effective at getting cold air to that intake. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them. Tighten this, just hand tight. Then you got, take the nut off and the top washer, set them aside. Now we have our little connection. Put this over the throttle body, push it in snug, get our first hose clamp on there. Those are going to be an 8 millimeter. Make sure that you aim your hose clamps in a direction that it will be easy to remove them if you need to. Okay, there's that. Okay, put the other hose clamp over the top. Slide this sucker on. And then these 2 little guys over here, they are just gonna go onto these 2 little spouts. They don't connect to anything, it's just a way to hold them neatly and keep them from sucking in ambient air. Okay, this hose is too short, this vacuum hose. So I had to pull it off partially on this side, and it has to be partially off on this side. And I had to use hose clamps because these little guys won't retain it well enough for it to not pop off. And eventually, if this rips or something, that's fine. We'll finally get a new one that's actually the right size. But for now, because we're in kind of a hurry, that's how we're gonna do it, okay? So, down here, that is where that bracket goes. And we're gonna put our washer, and then the nut is gonna go there. Tighten this shit down. All we got left, putting this thing in its home. Remember, we kept our screws, except this is threaded. These are not, these are meant to go into plastic. Yeah, the screws meant for plastic went in and they seem to be fine. Last things last, we got our intake here. There it is. And after all that, plug in your mass airflow sensor. That's your last thing. Now, this is one of the easiest installs I've done because I left all this air induction stuff in. This was kind of annoying though, so be aware of that, you guys. All that being said, this is a V6 Camry intake install. Done quick and simple, pretty easy. And we're gonna get a sound clip for you guys of some revs and stuff right after I clean up my mess. Yeah. That's pretty sick. Happy boy. Man, wasn't that great? That was so cool. And if you thought it was cool, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then see more of the modification and repair content on this channel.